Okay, next one up is this little Triumph Street Scrambler. This is a new client. He did have this booked in October last year, but he's had some medical issues, so it has been sitting outside under a cover for quite some time. It's got lots of little bits of rust coming here and there. All the disc is rusty, wheels are filthy, engine's pretty dirty. Like I said, it has been sitting under a cover for, I think, nearly 8 months, he said, so it's got quite a bit of build-up. Chain has gone proper rusty. He was a bit upset when he pulled the cover off, but got a bit of rust on the shocks appearing here and there. So we're going to do one of our legendary full Monty valets on this, which will pretty much include everything. More than anything, it will include a good coating of XCP corrosion protection. So once all this is cleaned up, we'll get it all blow dried and we'll mist it with the XCP clear coat. So all your engine, all your wheels, all down your frame, anything that I think might corrode, we'll get a nice little misting. Should be able to polish off the rust on lots of just bits and pieces. Same with the banjo bolts. We'll get those discs all cleaned up. I'll get this headlight cover off of there. We'll do a polish on that headlight. We'll do a 2-stage machine polish on this tank, just to remove any imperfections, get it looking like it should. So yeah, give me a couple of hours. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Triumph Street Scrambler has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets, Snowfoam safe wash, just to loosen up any contaminants. All that old rusty chain lube has been removed. All the engine's been scrubbed all down the front. All the discs have been cleaned. All the rust has been taken off the edges. We then blow dried it all, making sure to remove any moisture from the switch gear. All the seat we removed, all the side covers we removed, everything's been blow dried. Once it was fully dried, we then misted everything with XCP corrosion protection, all up underneath the seat, all the motor, all down underneath your frame. Suspension linkages, your shocks, etc. have all had a nice coating of the XCP clear. We then put the XCP orange on all the nuts and bolts, anything else that I think might corrode. Dressed the plastics. Removed the headlight cover, polished up the headlight. We did a 2-stage machine polish on that tank. All the little bits had a bit of rust coming through. We polished that rust off, including your top nut up there. All done in 2 hours, now fully protected and looking the way it should. Get yours booked in now. We're open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.